بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. We thank and praise Allah Azza wa Jal that from the greatest blessings that every single one of us has been given is the blessings of Islam and being guided to the truth. And when a person is guided to Islam, when a person is guided to the truth, then he's basically being made aware of his whole purpose in life. And that's why we always tend to forget that this is in fact one of the greatest blessings that a person has been given, which is guidance to Islam. So Brother James here, we thank Allah Azza wa Jalla that Allah has guided him to Islam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has increased our communities with these brothers and sisters who have accepted Islam. And of course, before we commence with the Shahadah, with the testimony of faith, James, the brother's name is James. Before we do that, just to ensure that this isn't something which anybody has enforced upon you. This is something that you're doing out of your own choice. Yeah? Okay, that's good. And you're aware of the pillars of faith, the belief in Allah, belief in the angels, belief in the messengers, belief in the books, belief in the final day, and belief in the predestination. So you believe in all of those things. Okay, so of course the process of somebody accepting Islam is just going to say the Shahadah, the testimony of faith. So once you've accepted the testimony of faith, then basically you're a Muslim. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat the testimony of faith, the Shahadah in Arabic, and then you can repeat it after me, and then we'll translate it into English. Okay? So just repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, and that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Congratulations, brother. Takbir! 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 Okay, don't be afraid, that's just us celebrating. So, the most important thing now, brothers and sisters, for all of us who are here, is Allah helps a slave so long as a slave helps his fellow Muslim brother and sister. And it's a duty and responsibility upon all of you now to take care of this brother, to welcome this brother. He is now our Muslim brother, and it's our responsibility now to take care of him and to help him and to aid him on this journey so that we can continue to worship Allah and be upon correct guidance. Jazakumullah khairan.